PDF Editor v PDF Converter is an Android application designed to enable users to create, edit, and convert PDF documents conveniently from their mobile devices. This versatile app is ideal for individuals who work with PDF files regularly, whether for personal, educational, or professional purposes. Key features typically include editing capabilities that allow users to modify text, images, and other elements within PDF documents. Users can often annotate files with highlights, notes, or drawings, making it easier to review or collaborate on documents. In addition to editing, PDF Editor v PDF Converter often provides conversion tools that enable users to transform various file formats, such as Word documents or images, into PDF and vice versa. This feature streamlines the process of managing different document types. Overall, this application serves as a comprehensive tool for those looking to handle PDF files efficiently, offering a user-friendly interface and essential functionalities for effective document management.